In this part, I'm going to show you how to use the iMotion application for your stop motion. So in your home page, you can see that you can choose which camera you want to use. And at the bottom, there are also different kind of ways for you to take your picture. There's time lapse, where you can set a specific timer to take a picture for you automatically. Then there is the manual one, where you will press the shutter button whenever you want to take a picture. So when you click on start, you will see this page and there are tools for you to choose at the bottom. The light bulb is very obvious where you turn on your flashlight. Then the grid is for you to turn on and show the grid, which will help in your position. Then there's the ghost image function, where after you take a picture and move your object, you would see a faint image of the previously taken image. This would help when you want to move your objects and you want to know exactly where you are moving it towards. As you can see, because I chose to take the picture manually, I would have to press on the capture button every time. Once I'm done shooting, I will just click on stop. At the bottom here where you see a slide, this is where you can choose how many frames per second you want. Like mentioned, we want to do 10 frames per second. And after that, just click on export and your video is done.